We typically include 3D at no charge for all of our planning. As part of a new service, we are including an executable file that contains the 3D that's self-contained. This way you need no software to run the 3D on your own computer. So these instructions will tell you how to download it and then open up the file and then manipulate the file. If we did a site plan for you, you would get an email from us with a download. Now this is a demo, so it's landmentor.com/a.exe is a file that we use for demonstration purposes. So you could use that anytime you wanted to, and that's what we're using here. Once the file has downloaded, and this is a fairly large file, you would want to open that file. And you're going to get this message. Microsoft doesn't know where the file came from, so just hit more information and run it anyhow. And you'll see it says Enscape loading, and it's going to take, depending on your machine, could take a minute or two to come up. Once the file comes up, you're going to see a screen with the 3D of your job, or in this case the demo, and you'll see at the bottom of the screen, if you do not have an Xbox 360 gaming controller connected, it shows you the different buttons to press. So W would move forward. You might have to click in the screen first, and you can see it's not very fast. If you want to go faster than that, hold the control button down and then W, and then you go a lot faster and a lot smoother. And you can see rotation is the left button of the mouse, and orbiting is the right button of the mouse. The mini-map is M, and that will show you where you are on the site on the upper left part of the display. Spacebar gets you in walk mode. You won't be able to go through walls in walk mode. Walk mode is showing shoes. Fly mode is showing angel. When E allows you to go up. Now what I'm going to do is plug in my Xbox 360 gaming controller. Everything you just saw is in the gaming Xbox 360. It's much easier to move about. It would all move in real time, meaning there should be no delays, no matter how large the development is. And then again, when you want to move into a building, you're going to hit an object, it's going to stop. You've got to, in this case for toggle fly and walk mode, you can see at the bottom it says A, and then you could move to the door. You're stopping, I hit A to get back into fly mode, and then back A for walk mode, so I could walk around the unit. Now, if you have a VR headset that's supported, you would go to Devices and click Virtual Reality. If the headsets are supported and if they are connected, do not do this if you don't have the headsets, because it will lock up. We've been including this interactive 3D in various forms for over a dozen years to our clients. This is a normal part of our deliverables on every job that we work on. This takes it to the next level because now clients will be able to use the 3D without having to purchase any extra software.